Hello everyone, welcome to MCERC's YouTube channel. Used to be called AskAScientist, which is still part of the name, but now we have changed our name to Ocean Smarts and Whale Farts. Ask a Scientist. And today I'm very excited to be doing a Curiosity Calls video. So that means we're doing an experiment. Yay! In today's experiment, we're being wizards. We are going to have a bowl of water and we're going to put some pepper flakes in there. And we're going to pretend that this bowl of water is like our skin and the pepper is going to be germs. And we're going to also take some dish soap and a toothpick. And we're going to see what happens to those germs when we introduce soap to them. There's also other science stuff going on, which will all be explained in next week's video. So, with that being said, I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's get all of our stuff and get started.
All right, so here we've got all of the materials that we'll need for this experiment. I just ran out of toothpicks, so I grabbed a coffee stick from downstairs. It'll do the same thing. It's just a wooden stick, just like a toothpick would be. We've got our glass bowl for our water and pepper. We've got our black pepper, and we've got our dish soap. We also have a sink right next to us here. Got our water, everything else. And with that, let's get started. So first I'm going to turn on the water, fill this up. It doesn't matter how much really. I'm gonna leave about an inch left on the top there. Go ahead and check it out. Then we are going to open up our pepper and we're just gonna evenly sprinkle it on here. Look at all those germs. All right. All floating. Few little sinkers, but most of them are floating up at the top. And so we'll pretend these are our germs in our little dish here. And I'm just gonna take my finger, nothing on my finger, hands are clean, put it in, and nothing happens. Get a little closer, maybe a little bit of repelling. Let's do the same thing with our coffee stick or a toothpick if you have it. Ooh, they all connected to it. Look at that. Now it's got some germs on it. I had recently washed my hands, so that might be why they were repelled from me. But let's go ahead and put it in here, give you this angle. Look at now, there's some falling. We've broken the surface tension of the water. Take it back out. Look at all those germs. All the germs that are on this. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it to the other side, which is clean. Here we have our soap. You can put it in a bowl and it would probably be a better idea. And so you can see this is covered in soap. And now let's see what happens. Oh my God. I wasn't expecting that to happen that fast. Wow, look at that. Got some more pepper flakes falling. And now all that pepper that you see in the middle is down at the bottom. It's really all just along the edges there. How cool is that? Let's move it over here. Now nothing's happening. Let's see, will it pick up more pepper? There it is, wow. See this, so the soap is binding to those pepper flakes, binding to those germs, and it's gonna wash all away.
So I hope you enjoyed this experiment. This is a great way to actually visualize what's going on with soap in your hands and germs, and the importance of washing your hands. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have anything else that you'd like to see, go ahead and comment down below or shoot me an email, and I'll see you next week.